My name is Lauren Mantecon. I've been painting for over 25 years. I love the mystery of beauty, the intelligence of beauty. I think for me, making art, which I've been doing for over 30 years, is a way to connect to spirit. It's a way to transcend an earthly existence. I know that sounds abstract, but I am an abstract painter. I'm also a teaching artist, and I used to teach painting and design courses in the university setting, but now through Mantecon Studio, I offer workshops that really integrate all the years of making mixed media paintings. But more than that, with the technique, I have a love of encouraging individual growth. And how we usually get there is through personal investigation.